Technology has influenced our lives in so many positive ways, but it's come with some sacrifices, and our wrists are one of those sacrifices. So, if your wrists are the weak link between what you're thinking and what you're typing, if you feel pain, discomfort, tightness, tension during or after working on devices, here's a stretch that will realign and restore the wrists so their structural integrity is sound. So let's start holding your left wrist with your right hand, right up at the heel of the hand. You're going to close the fingers and wrap the thumb over the top, and you're going to circle that wrist around in the direction of the thumb. And you can probably do about 10 reps of this rotation. You want it to be slow and deliberate, and a full range of its motion. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to hold your right wrist with your left hand, close the fingers, wrap the thumb on top, circle the wrist in the direction of the thumb about 8 to 10 times. Now you're keeping that forearm really still. And you're probably going to hear some snap, crackle, pops in that wrist, and that's just fine. That's the realignment actually taking place. Now we're going to wrap our fingers around our thumbs, and we're going to circle the fist and the forearms in the direction of the pinky. Now you're going to keep your elbows really stable and your shoulders dropped as you do this rotation. Now this wants to be a feel-good thing. Don't make this a rough thing where you're like, how hard can I do this? Keep it gentle. Be nice to yourself. And then we're going to close by integrating the fingers, interweave them, push the heel of the hand forward as you keep your shoulders back. Then you're going to press the heel of your fingers forward as you spread them out. And then soften the fingers and push the heel of the hand again. And then push the heel of the fingers and stretch the fingers wide. And then again, push the heel of the hand, softening the fingers and the top of the hand. Push the heel of the fingers and spread the fingers. Right? So you keep repeating this. Heel of the hand to heel of the fingers. So that one more time, and heel of the fingers. Now you're going to bring the palms toward the chest. Pull the elbows apart gently. And I want you to feel your wrist in traction. Hold with your fingers, but not your wrists. And then slowly disentangle those fingers and lie your forearm, wrist, and hands on a flat surface. I like to straddle my keyboard here. And you want to hold this surrendering until the buzz of working your forearm is gone. And I want you to notice how the back of your wrist is really flat, aligning the forearm with the hand. Now, to prevent further irritation, you can roll up a towel in the front of your keyboard, rest your wrists on it, and type from that support so you maintain the integrity of the wrist. Remember, technology works for you, not the other way around. Do not sacrifice any part of yourself for technology. It's technology's relationship with you that gives it its positive influence. So take care of you.